uplift and where each one strives is best to give. So please, Rotarians, come along and stand up and let's sing Rotary song together once more.
Rotarian, please rise.
Thank you very much. Please be seated. Let's all in one, be the inspiration. Thank you.
Thank you, District Governor Y.C. Ho.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be upstanding. Engaged by another appointment, our guest of honor has to leave now. Yes, it's a great honor to have Honorable Matthew Cheung with us tonight. May I invite our organizing committee chair, Lady Angela Hui, Chief District Secretary Frederick Ng, Assistant Governor Raphael Aharoni, and Past Week Governor Anthony Hong to accompany our guest of honor to leave the hall. Please be seated. And it's time for us to introduce our distinguished guests, district leaders. We would like to recognize them individually. Please welcome the guests sitting on the table, be the inspiration table. Our district governor, on the stage, our district governor NYC Ho and Linda Ho. 中央人民政府香港特别行政区联络办公室新界工作部张俏英常务副部长，中联办新界工作部、中联办九龙工作部王晓玲副部长，中联办九龙工作部沈彦雄处长。 中联办港岛工作部钟煌前副科长，中联办港岛工作部吴广修宣教处处长 ，Honorable Andrew Leung Kwan Yun, the President of Legislative Council. Professor Choi Lam Chi, the President of the Academy of Science of Hong Kong. Professor Timothy Tong, the President of Hong Kong Polytechnic University. Dr. Dan Dargin Chen, the President of UNESCO Hong Kong Association. Mr. C.K. Young, Associate Vice President, Hong Kong Baptist University. Mr. Ng Ah Ming, the Chief Commissioner, Scout Association of Hong Kong. The past Rotary International President Gary Huang on stage. The past District Governor Arthur Au. The past District Governor Y.K. Chen. The past District Governor Belinda Yang. The Charter President Patrick Poon. Mr. Low Wai Yip Tony, the Service Supervisor of the Army, Hong Kong and Macau Command. And I now introduce the guests sitting at the backing a different table. Our past District Governor, on the stage, sorry. Our past District Governor, H.W. Fong. And also Mrs. Irene Fong, sitting on the table. 广州市人民代表大会常务委员会华侨外事工作委员会张勇副主任。广州市人民代表大会常务委员会华侨外事工作委员会办公室杨云霞副主任。Mr. Tengku Surajusman, the Consul General of Malaysia. And Mr. Kunidori Matsuda, the Consul General of Japan. Mr. George W. Tong, the Consul General of the United States. Mr. Fu Tao Li, the Consul General of Singapore. Mr. Antonio A. Morales, the Consul General of Philippines. Dr. Samuel Lam, the Vice President of Hong Kong Academy for Performing Arts. Ms. Grace Chen, the Chief Executive Officer, Hong Kong Flying Sport Federation Limited. Ms. Amy Chen, the Child Development Initiative Alliance. Mr. Tam Kwok Yun, Assistant Chief Commissioner, Kowloon Region Scout Association of Hong Kong. Past District Governor Jason Young. And Mrs. Rebecca Young. And past District Governor Anthony Hong and Mrs. Mary Hong. Past District Governor Eric Chin and Mrs. Christine Chin.
At the premium table 1, we have past District Governor Jones Wong, past District Governor Peter Wong, past District Governor Albert Wong, past District Governor Ada Jan, past District Governor Jason Chen, and Mrs. Alicia Chen. Past District Governor Kenneth Wong and Mrs. Lucia Wong. Past District Governor Eugene Fong and Mrs. Kitty Fong. Past District Governor Peter Pan and Mrs. Kathleen Pan. At the premium table 5, we have District Governor-elect Wilson Jen and Ms. Stella Le. District Governor nominee Eric Chen. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them another round of applause.
Now, may I invite past Rotary International President Gary Huang District Governor Y.C. Ho, and immediate past District Governor H.W. Fong to witness the installation ceremony of all incoming and outgoing presidents.
All outgoing presidents and incoming presidents, the handover ceremony will be conducted area by area for the official handover ceremony.
All outgoing presidents of Area 9 and Area 10, please come to the stage front to install your successor. Take a group photo first, and please install your successor. Thank you, Area 9 and 10 outgoing president. You may now leave the stage and proceed to your seats.
All outgoing presidents of Area 8, please come to the stage front to install your successor.
I think all of them are very exciting for this moment, right?
Let's take a group photo.
Okay, you may now install your successor now. And
Thank you, Area 8 outgoing presidents. You may now leave the stage and proceed to your seat.
and all outgoing president of Area 7, please come to the stage front to install your successor. And you may install your successor now. Thank you, Area 7 outgoing president. You may now leave the stage and proceed to your seats.
All outgoing presidents of Area 6, please come to the stage front to install your successors. Let's have a good photo first.
Okay, you may install your successor now.
Thank you, Area 6 outgoing presidents. You may now leave the stage and proceed to your seats.
And all the outgoing president of Area 5, please come to the stage front to install your successor. Area 5, please.
Let's have a good photo.
Okay, you may now install your successor now. For all the outgoing president, you may now leave the stage and proceed to your seats.
All outgoing presidents of Area 4, please come to the stage front to install your successors. Let's take a group photo.
For all the outgoing president, you may install your successor.
Thank you, Area 4 outgoing presidents. You may now leave the stage and proceed to your seats.
All the outgoing president of Area 3, please come to the stage front to install your successor. Area 3, please.
Be ready for the group photo.
You may install your successor now. For Area 3 outgoing president, you may now leave the stage and proceed to your seats.
All outgoing presidents of Area 2, please come to the stage front to install your successors.
Let's take a group photo first. Okay. You may install your successor now.
Area 2 outgoing presidents. You may now leave the stage and proceed to your seat.
And all the outgoing president of Area 1, please come to the stage front to install your successor. Okay, let's take a group photo first. Okay, you may install your successor now. Thank you everyone, outgoing president. You may now leave the stage and proceed to your seats.
Thank you all outgoing presidents in different areas.
Please be seated. Adora， 有人開心，有人更開心係嘛？新嘅年度到啦係嘛？
Congratulations to all the presidents of Rotary Year 201819.
So now we would like to invite our past Rotary International President Gary Huang to speak to us. Gary, please.
District Governor YC and First Lady Linda, IPDG, HW, and Lady Ivy. Oh, my dear fellow Rotarians, spouses, guests, Rotactors, interactors in the family of Rotary, 你好. It is a great honor and pleasure to be invited to witness the changeover ceremony of District Governor and the induction ceremony of 2018-19 Club Presidents. As some of you may not know, in 1986-87, I was the district governor of District 345 here in Hong Kong and Macau. And after that, we divided because we have 101 clubs, so Hong Kong, Macau become one district and Taiwan become 4 districts. So they call me the last governor from Taiwan, not last emperor. But today, I'm very honored to witness this wonderful occasion that you have joined induction ceremony here to save a lot of money and time for the governor to do something good for the world. And I noticed I'm one of most senior past governors in District 345 in this room today. But I'm very glad I see the future of a Rotary here in Hong Kong, Macau, and Mongolia and China. I'm sure you agree with me that just in that 2018-19 inspiration team, are they so young, strong, pretty, good-looking, active, aggressive? Do you agree? So please stand. You all stand. Let's give them another round of applause. Wish them work harder. Please be seated. Since I'm the most senior governor of this district, and also I'm the president of 2014-15, and I'm also the Rotary Foundation chairman-elect for 2019-20. I prepared 20 pages of a speech. But the chairman and my best class governor, Brenda, took those speeches away. They say my year as president of Rotary International, even I was the first Chinese of president of Rotary International, but nobody remember what I said 3 years ago. But they all remember my happy clap. So I want to see how good you are. All right? I show all the Rotarians around the world. We are happy and we want to do something good to inspire Rotarians, our friends. We clap 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 2 times. Are you ready? Are you ready? Happy clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. Happy clap, go! You've been practiced. Okay, we'll do one more time. If you are good enough, we go to lesson 2. Happy clap, go! Very good. So, when you like something, you love something good, something strong, something great, you turn your thumbs up and say, "Zai!" So, ITDG HW, YC, Inspiration President. Very good. Only when I say District 3450, you chant 3 times, okay? District 3450. 那赞。下面赞。District 3450.